Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own delicious beer at home. First, gather your essential brewing equipment, including a large brew kettle, a fermenting vessel, and a reliable sanitizing solution. Next, you'll need 4 key ingredients: quality water, malted grains or extract, hops for bitterness and aroma, and a suitable yeast strain. Remember, meticulous cleaning and sanitization of all your equipment is absolutely critical to prevent contamination and ensure a successful brew. The journey begins with mashing, where you steep crushed malted grains in hot water, usually between 150 and 155 degrees Fahrenheit. This crucial step converts starches into fermentable sugars, forming a sweet liquid known as wort. After about 60 minutes, you'll separate the wort from the spent grains. Then, rinse the grains with hot water, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, to extract any remaining precious sugars. Next, bring your collected wort to a vigorous boil, typically for 60 to 90 minutes. This sterilizes the wort and concentrates the sugars. You'll add bittering hops early in the boil to establish a balanced flavor. Later, introduce flavor and aroma hops during the last 30 minutes or at flame out for their distinct characteristics. Finally, rapidly cool the hot wort to around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the ideal temperature for yeast. The magic happens during fermentation. Transfer your cooled wort to a sanitized fermenter and pitch your chosen yeast. Allow primary fermentation to proceed for 1 to 2 weeks in a dark, cool environment, typically around 68 degrees Fahrenheit for ales. Once fermentation is complete, add a small amount of priming sugar before bottling or kegging. Finally, condition your beer for 2 to 3 weeks to achieve perfect carbonation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.